Hello everybody. We're just going to do a quick walkthrough today. This is first look of the day. That's what I do every day. There's their pile of food. Their other pile of food a couple of days ago completely disappeared. This one will disappear in about 3 or 4 days. We'll see. I'd done pretty good yesterday. It's like they already went through all their worm chow. But seeing what they're doing. They're usually not really out this time of day. This is kind of late. It's been so busy. I haven't been able to get in here until, it's like noon today. Oh, look at that. And again, that worm ball way over there. There's all the food. But yeah, it's what I do every day. It's the first thing I do with them is come and check every single bin and just look at them, and oh my goodness. But yep, and these guys are going all throughout their food. But I put over 5 pounds, actually it was close to 10 pounds worth of food. Oh, look at that. All those babies right on top of that apple. That apple's still there. That thing's been there for over a week now. Oh, I should have labeled when I put that apple in there. So that was not a frozen apple. And look at this. Anybody knows what that yellow fungus is? Let me know. It doesn't seem to hurt the worms, but it did pop up in this bin. I don't understand. Because they get all the same food as all the other bins, but that bin's got that weird yellow fungus in it. Look at these guys. Alright. Well, that's it for the walkthrough. Oh, gotta get that down in there. But yeah, that's just it. Everything's still a mess. Still working on straightening it up. Last night, started cleaning this area off. So I'm gonna move all this. This has still got to get broken down and thrown away. And I just put my TV and stuff over here for now, but everything's getting moved. So stay tuned. And like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.